Recently, I went shopping to buy some fabric for my previous dress. There, I came across the 17 yards of yellow organza fabric, which was on sale just for $2. I bought the fabric. It was cheap, I had to. But after buying it, I could think of no other way of using this fabric other than making best dress from Beauty and the Beast. I know, I know, no one on the internet likes that dress, but I had to utilize the fabric somehow. I cannot just waste $2 of mine. But to make it look less like the best dress from Beauty and the Beast, I decided to add flowers on it. In my opinion, best dress is not ugly, it's simple, elegant, and beautiful. The only problem with this dress is that it's a Disney dress, and from Disney, the world expects perfectionism, something as outstanding as Cinderella's dress. When these high standards of the world's audience were not met, people started hating on this dress, which I think is not quite fair. I made a bunch of flowers for this dress to make it look a little different, and I hot glued them onto the dress. And I'm very happy the way it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. Thank you.